Welcome my Facebook family. Thank you guys so much. I said I'll be doing videos from time to time, and I give you guys the chance to, join me live. And today I'm doing another one, and I just quickly want to give you a roundup of what happened in Adamawa. Finally, justice has been done as regards the case in Adamawa. And what has happened is the fact that INEC has called the results in favor of the rightful winner of the elections. Like I said before, it was obvious that Fintiri was going to win, and that's why all of that political drama happened. And it is important that we all speak up for our nation. What happened in Adamawa that Madam Binani did was political fascism, and people must condemn in strong terms political fascism. And the truth has to be told. Our political watchers too should condemn in strong terms political fascism. What happened there was untoward, was bad, was evil. People should never, ever allow that happen. It has to be said. People should never, ever allow that happen. INEC has finally said that they will report the Resident Electoral Commissioner to the IG, and that's why we must call for political reforms. These are the resident electoral commissioners that were appointed by the president. So that speaks volumes about what's going on in INEC. Uwe's report said that it is a Nigeria Judicial Council that should work on who becomes INEC chief. So there are many things going on in the country that we must speak up against. And please, even the case of the shenanigan that happened with a state broadcaster broadcasting a coup speech, a speech for a coup d'etat. Is it that NTA was going to say they didn't know that the elections have not been concluded yet? Is it that NTA was going to say they were not aware that it was only 10 local governments? I don't see why NTA should not be fined by NBC. I've called them out too. A political coup d'etat that happened and NTA supported it. NTA carried the speech of a coup live on TV. A coup in Adamawa, in our country. You must speak the truth all the time. So we are waiting for NBC to find them. We are waiting for NBC to call NTA to order. Because what NTA did was supporting a lie. I'm sure you saw what happened yesterday in America. Some people took Fox TV to court. And Rupert Murdoch, when they discovered that they had lied, had to pay $787 million in damages. They had to reach a quick deal. So that's the case. And we must not just sit down and watch our country go to waste. So, please, for all my fans that have been asking, I bless you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Thanks for all the love all over Europe, every part. In fact, I'll be planning sometime soon a tour across Europe and other parts of the world. And you'll just tell me your part, if you can organize the events and let me know and do the publicity, I'll be there. So Europe and other parts of the world. If you can nominate somebody, a European tour, I'll be there to come and do it. Speak about business, speak about empowerment, speak about upliftment, and come and just hug you guys and tell you how much I appreciate each and every one of you. So I'm planning that too. Maybe sometime next year or before the end of the year runs out, and we'll plan that. So I appreciate all of you. Thank you guys so much, for the love, for the care, for the attention. I'll be back on TV soon. All right? I'll be back on TV soon. And I can't wait to engage with you guys. And some of the things I'm planning, like I've been saying, I want to build a university to impact people. I'm also planning to build something in honor of my parents called the Oseni Center, where students can come learn, library, online education, counseling, and all of that. I'm planning to build it up probably in other parts of the world and my village to start up. So as I go with the project, I'll let you guys know. These are things I'm passionate about. But please, in every area of our life, let's speak against evil. What happened in Adamawa was evil, was fascism, was bad things happening. And it's something we should repudiate strongly. So, I love you all. I can't wait to see you all very soon. And I will be working on that charity, in Nigeria to be able to empower school children and the likes and all of the things we do. So, it's something I've been working on. And hopefully, by the grace of God, we'll be able to get lifted. We'll be able to get lifted. We'll be able to get empowered to be able to do great things in our lives. But let's speak against evil. Evil is not good. Even if it's been done in your favor, please speak against umbrage. So let's do what is right. Let's keep the peace. And all of you, I'll be seeing you guys soon. Bless you. Bless you all so much. I love you so much. I love all of you so much. You have no idea. Bless you all. Yeah.